Hello guys, good morning and welcome to Friday. Today happens to be NFP and I'll be doing some breakdown on my super right pair, which is gold and GG. So I'm looking at GG at the moment. So let's go down to the daily time frame and let's see what price is showing us on how we can possibly make money from today's candle or today's market. Now, looking at the daily candle, I can see that the let's go to the weekly. Let's see how the weekly is about to end. Because we have 15 hours to go. 15, yeah, 15 hours to go. Now you can see that the weekly candle came down initially and it was looking above the previous weekly, and it's currently pushing up. It's currently pushing up now. And it's currently pushing up. You can see how far it has gone. I think it has moved up around 52 pips. So let's go to the daily time frame and let's see what the daily has been telling us. Now, in the daily time frame, you can see the same thing. The previous daily break above this resistance here and close above. You can see this the current daily candle has broken above, slightly retested the previous daily high and is yet to break above. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame and let's see what structure is being formed. Okay, on the 4 hours, there's no clear structure. You can only see the market is kind of consolidating, it's taking time to move up. You can see it's forming a bullish and bearish candle, a bullish and bearish candle. I can see indecision candle as well. So it's undecisive. It doesn't know where it wants to move to. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and let's see what's telling us in the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that price has a resistance above this level. Price has a resistance above this level, which does not broken yet on the 1 hour time frame. You can see price only came to test that level, but it has not broken above the level. And currently we are pre-London, so let's anticipate price to push up, not push bullish. Now you can see in the 30 minutes time frame, we clearly have our resistance above this level, which I think will better if price break above here because the new hour just started. So if you can see the 30 minutes moves above or 15 minutes moves, which the 15 minutes still have that same um, level there. See 15 minutes to 30 minutes goes above, then we can see price to continue pushing upwards. And what price break above this level is to probably break and close above. So we have 15 minutes. So let's wait. So for buys, I'm looking for buys above this my 30 minutes level for now. So I put my buys above. So what I simply want price to do in order for me to buy this market is that I need the candle to close above. This is why I need some the price to do something like this. Just an easy move like this. Price to close above this level with 15 minutes time. Should definitely have a top peak. They had the bottom week already, so I'm good with that. We should definitely have a top peak as well. And the next candle should come downwards and retest the broken structure. And the moment you break above the previous candle or the week, that's why I look to go long. Depending on the structure, I haven't seen the candle forms. Take my buyers for a buy, the price to continue pushing upwards. So this is what I'm looking for on GG for a buy. Now, considering me looking for a sell on GG, so let me clear up all this. Let me clear up all this, and let me see how I'll probably get into the position if I was looking for a sell. Now, looking at this market structure, it is very choppy. The market structure doesn't have a particular place you want to go. But looking at this is where I have a resistance, a support down here, or I have nothing coming on the left hand side. So if I'm to look for a clean bias for a sell, it will be, oh my God, it's far, 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 far. It to be below here for a clean sell to be below this level here. You have the trading price for a clean sell. But let's see how price reacts when it gets to this level. And if I see the structure, let me look at the weeks, uh, 25 weeks, okay. Let me see how price reacts when you get to this level. And when you get to this level, I'll decide if I will sell or not. So that's it. That's what I'm looking for right now. Or TJ, and my daily bias is bullish, and I'm looking for more buys than sells. So let's stay on and let's see how it plays out. So let's that aside, let's go to our good and let's see what good is telling me. Now let me clear up my chart. It's always good to start a new day fresh. So let's go to the weekly time frame and let's see what the weekly candle is telling me about. So this is Oanda. So let's scale to the weekly. The weekly is okay. Overall, we're on the bullish trend. You can always see that we're on the bullish trend, but price has kind of tested a level of resistance. Price has always tested the level of resistance, and you can see yeah, you can see this level, and you can it's getting from there. And prices also came down to retest the level of support. You can see price is rejecting the level of support. You can see it's simply price doing forming higher highs and higher lows. You can see it. So as paid price will probably break above and continue moving upwards. So this is what I expect price to do for gold. This is the weekly time frame. So this is what I'm looking for on gold. This is what I expect price to do on gold. That aside, we're not trading, we're not swing trading our scalpers. We're looking for what we can get in and the day. So let's scale down to our daily time frame and let's see what the daily is telling us if it's different from the weekly. Now on the daily time frame, you can see that price came down here. We tested the level of support and rejected from that level, and it's currently in a resistance level. You can clearly see that there's a resistance here. You can see the level here. Price is testing this level, and let's see price is testing this level of resistance. So if price should break and close above this level, we expect price will probably get to this level. And minding you, today is NFP, so you can expect a push in the market, you can expect volume coming in the market because today is NFP. So let's continue. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see if price if there's a tendency of price breaking above this level or price reversing downwards to the downside. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame and let's see what the power is telling us. What image the power is printing for us to see if we can capitalize on it. And looking at the 4 hour time frame, price is currently on a resistance level, support their resistance level. You can see it has multiple rejection. So there's a possibility that price can actually um, reject from here and fall down because you can see when price got to previous times, you can see that price fell, price got here, fell. So the possibility of price rejection from here as well and falling is high, unless we have a strong power move. And once we get that, we can anticipate price to push upwards. So let's scale down to the 1 hour time frame and let's see how we can put our structure for us to get into a trade. So now looking at the 1 hour time frame, I'll probably adjust where my resistance level is. You can see I'm adjusting it here. And if you look at my left, you also see that there's also a level here that price. Okay, let me look at that. That's about 70. Okay, we can maximize and try and see if we can make money off that one. Now let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Now, looking at what I explained, that price can likely reject from that level. Where else should I likely sell if price tries to reject? We have um level support. We have a level here, or I'll draw my line at this point because this is a recent level. The price should break above this level. I expect price to fall. And once price starts getting to levels like this, I move myself to break even. So once price gets to this level, which is already 20 pips, I likely know myself to break even through some position and at the response. So I'm expecting a buy if price break above this candle here. So I mark up my buying position. So this is where I want price to go up so I can buy. So I'm placing my buys above here. And for myself, this is range one. This is range one here because we already a level here. People can sell up from here. So this is my range two. So one price squeeze below this level. I'm selling. So this is what I want price to be. This is my structure, and this is how I'm thinking to maximize my trade and enter capitalize from the market today. So this is my analysis on GG and gold. All I need to do now is sit, relax, and be patient for price to do whatever it wants so I can capitalize it and enter my trades. So that's it. Stay tuned for the updates if I happen to get any trades and these two pairs, GJ and gold today. Bye.